Hi there, and welcome to Patient Better. In this video, we will show you how to create a free virtual health portal with Google. People often ask, why a Google Health portal? So let's familiarize ourselves as to why Google works so well as our health portals. People love their Google Health portal, not just because they are able to tailor it to their own liking, but because it is secure, cost-effective, user-friendly, and offers 24/7 access to health information and resources. This video may go a little fast, so if you haven't done so already, have the presentation notes in front of you. And be sure to watch the video all the way through for the first time, and then go back to the parts that you need more clarity on. When setting up a Gmail account for health purposes, ensure your information is accurate, maintain professionalism in all communications, and be specific about your health needs to facilitate efficient and effective correspondence. Now let's set up our portal. We will focus only on setting up a Gmail account, and Google will take care of the rest. First, you will need to ensure that you are on Google, and you can verify it here. Then on the subject line, type in Gmail. A number of pages will appear, and for this video, we will choose this one. And once clicked, this window will appear with Google's branding and a message saying a secure, smart, easy-to-use email. Click the Create button, and on the toggle, highlight Personal Account. And then Google will guide you into the next steps. Fill in their first and last name, and then click the Next button. Fill in the account holder's basic information. And then create your email. Create a strong password. Confirm that you are not a robot by receiving a text on your cell phone, and have a backup email. Google will guide you throughout the process, and then your initial setup is complete. To log in again, simply go back into Chrome, type in Google account or Gmail in the subject line, and follow the prompts. If needed, just go to the settings menu on the upper right and click the Gmail icon. And Google will bring you to your inbox where you can change your profile image, import contacts and mail, and get the mobile app. And if ever in doubt, simply navigate back to the settings menu tool on the upper right, and here you will find any app that you need to communicate your digital health story. And that wraps up our video for today, as this was a basic video to get you started using your Google Health portal. However, if you want to make health management your own, click the like and subscribe buttons for more. And stay tuned for our next upcoming video on Google Health portals for telemedicine, where you can take health management to the next level and learn how to get the same quality of care online.